only thing engiyidingayo kuye ifocus more
kunjalo
yabo ayeke ukulalela abantu laba abenza ngathi bayamthanda bathanda yena bazonda mina basebenzisa yena you understand because in after 1 year 2 years bengekho uzobe strugglisha kuyobe kubizwa mina futhi ukuthi Zulu siyacela uhambe umsiza ngimsiza kanjani umuntu ophuma ekhaya wadelela kangaphuma ngendlela eright.
Hello everyone, hope usuku lakho luhamba kahle. Kushubileke kwiNkabi Records njengoba uMduduzi Mncube decide ukuthi ashiye phansi ahamba ayoyiqalela yena istudio sakhe esisha. Yena ke uBig Zulu ke akanankinga ke nokuthi yena uMduduzi Mncube ahambe njengoba bakhipha nestatement ukuthi bambongela bamfisela okuhle ukuthi ahambe kahle bayamdedela kwiNkabi Records. But ingxabano isiqala lana mase uMduduzi Mncube esekwazi ukuthi akhulume kabi noBig Zulu ahleke nezitha zakhe. Iyona ke into ekhalisa uBig Zulu ukuthi mzwane sebemdayisa sengasamhambeli kahle empilweni ke bese kuthiwa akube uyena omsizayo ekubeni yena ekwazi ukuthi akhulume kabi ngaye nezitha zakhe.
Okay, basically bengine vision vele bengine phupho before bekhona uyazikalela isikhathi as umuntu ukuthi okay ngifuna ukuhamba ngigcine la and then mase kula ngifisa nami ukuthi ngibe nento yami ebambekayo iphathekayo whereby basically ngizokwazi ukena but also ngisiza abanye abantu because you have a dream but also it has to actually become your support. So nami kufike leso sikhathi whereby I have to grow and also expand and support.
Only thing engiyidingayo kuye ifocus more
kunjalo
yabo ayeke ukulalela abantu laba abenza ngathi bayamthanda bathanda yena bazonda mina basebenzisa yena you understand because in after 1 year 2 years bengekho uzobe strugglisha kuyobe kubizwa mina futhi ukuthi Zulu siyacela uhambe umsiza ngimsiza kanjani umuntu ophuma ekhaya wadelela kangaphuma ngendlela eright. Ngizoba honest mina futhi uThatha you understand but ngaphandle nje kokuthini ngimfisela ukuthi abe nefocus more kulolihamba iqalayo futhi omdala abe nefocus enze sure angenziswa abantu izinto ifame le imngene ekhanda nanokuthi usene record company yakhe kumngene ekhanda but only you find out ukuthi akazi kwakuthi ingoma ifakwa kanjani eradioweni akazi kwakuthi ama interview atholwa kanjani you understand udinga more focus iyo iadvice engamnikeza yona even if ulalele namanje ukuthi umfowethu ngamthatha ngoba ngimthanda ngangumfisela vele bona lokho ukuthi afike lapha ekhona you understand so ngiyafisa ukuthi aphumelele ifocus ibe more ekhanda ayeke ukuzwa ngabantu bezothi hey Big Zulu yayibona ndo
ngiyithola mfowethu ngiyithola izokala kahle Big Zulu ibeke kahle mfowethu siyabonga kakhulu futhi nokuthi ukwazi ukuyicacisa kahle nanokuthi awunanqa naye mfana futhi umfisela okuhle kodwa ilokho nje sikufisayo mfowethu awubone ke.
Okay everyone, nibazwileke bechaza bobabili ama-side abo but mina engakusho ke kuMduduzi ukuthi isihlahla asinyelwa. Ikona ke lokho engakusho nawe comment down below umbono wakho ngalolu daba phansi kwabo bobabili ukuthi wena ubona kubani alright nokuthi ubona kubani obhedile. Bathi mina ke ngivala la i-video namhlanje ngibeka unqi. I really hope ukuthi uyi-enjoyile i-video namhlanje. If you enjoy make sure ukuthi smash lo like button uphinde usmash nalo subscribe button and mina ke I will see you in the next video. Bye.